2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, MP3 capability, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, CD player, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.